this spring, from June 22 to 24, 2026. Our FAU MOD, Research Center for Mathematics of Data, at FAU, Friedrich-Alexander-Universität, Erlangen-Nürnberg, is delighted to host the second edition of the Machine Learning and PDEs workshop, on-site, online, in Erlangen, Bavaria, Germany. The MLPDES26 workshop is an international event that brings together researchers from Europe and the United States to explore the deepening connection between machine learning and partial differential equations. Our speakers: our committees. Join us at the MLPDES26 workshop. On-site, online. Hosted in Erlangen, Bavaria, Germany.